Good morning, everyone! Welcome to another travel vlog. So today is February 14. Lilipad tayo sa Davao. We'll celebrate Valentine's Day at Dusit Thani Lubi Plantation Resort. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo! Hi, Cyril! Hi! Okay, we've just arrived here at Davao International Airport. Inaantay na lang natin yung luggage. So, actually, nag-book tayo ng sarili nating transfer going to Dusit Thani Lubi Plantation Resort. Kasi meron silang complimentary transfer pero may oras yon like ano lang ata 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. 11 a.m. na. So, hindi tayo aabot and 1 p.m. is masyado pang malayo. So, nag-book tayo ng transfer. It's around 4,000 pesos one way going to the resort. Tapos from there, merong bangka. Mga ano na lang yon. Yung boat siguro mga 5 minutes na lang siya. So, yon. We'll see you later! Okay, nakuha na namin yung luggage. Palabas na kami. Nakalimutan ko na yung airport nila. Ayaw nga, ito may parking lot yun. Welcome to Davao, Cyril. This is your first time here. Too bad it's just a short trip, pero okay na rin. Yeah. Yeah. Hang on. Okay, nasa hagdan daw si Kuya. Jema VIP first. Ayan, ayan. Hello po. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Mainit dito, no? Compare mo sa weather ngayon sa Manila, mainit dito.
Nagdilaw papel.
Yeah. Okay. Here we are. Sarap ka? Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, nandito na kami sa Dusit Thani Lubi Plantation Resort Welcome Center. So, antayin na lang natin yung boat. It's now 12:46, 1:15 yung boat. So, dyan tayo sakay mamaya. And then, I think the island is just there, sa other side. Okay, pasok muna tayo dito. Mainit. Yeah. Do you have water? Thank you. Okay, pwede na raw pumunta sa boat. Ito yung iba pang upuan nila. So far, first impression for a supposed to be 5-star experience, yung welcome parang hindi ganon. Kulang yung yung pagka-level up niya. Unang-una, walang drinks. So we asked for water, wala pa daw. Tapos mainit. Tapos yung aircon na area is lang, limited lang. But anyway, we'll see. Okay, we're here. Bilis lang, di ba, si Real?
My name is Ryan po pala, ma'am. So ako po yung naka-assign na butler for your
Okay.
stay here with us. So if you need anything, ma'am, just let me know.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
So upon checking sa system din po, ma'am, since your room is not yet ready po, ma'am. So
Mhm.
mag-check-in process po muna tayo doon sa Tamsi Hall.
Okay.
So before 3 p.m. po, ma'am, ma-release na po lahat ng rooms po.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have some fresh coconut water po,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
sir.
It's right side.
Okay, check-in muna tayo dito. Doon, banda. Hey girl, over here! Okay, check-in muna tayo. Thank you. Ayan, aircon.
Di ba mas malamig?
Yes, thank you. Here, baby, oh. Okay, tapos na kami mag-check-in. So, hindi pa ready yung room kasi it's only 1 p.m. Magla-lunch muna tayo. In fairness, no, ang aliwalas. This one.
Papo natin po doon sa Yellow to Gift Shop and then yung ating fitness center po for if you want to work out po, ma'am. Free
Okay.
lang po din yan sa ating in-house na mga guests.
Okay. Ano? Meron ba kayo rito parang store para sa mga snacks, ganon?
Yes po, we have gift shop po din.
Ayun, meron daw doon. Kasi meron kaming snack lover. Ano daw?
Po sa room
Oo.
ma'am, may ano din po doon, mga snacks.
Meron na. Okay, may bar pala. Gano'n kaya kalayo yung room dito? Kaya bang lakarin?
Upon checking sa inyong room, ma'am, nandun po kasi sa banda. Pwede naman po siyang lakarin, ma'am. May shortcut naman po. Pero if you want to request na card po, dial 0 lang po.
Dial 0 lang.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Ganito po, ma'am, yung Sunrise Beach po natin. Yan
Oh.
po yung accessible for swimming din po. So if you want to have water activities din po, ma'am,
Dyan.
so dyan lang din po.
Okay. Hey, we're having lunch. Later. Okay.
So, dito po sa left side, yan po yung game zone natin, ma'am. So if you want to play billiards or
Mm-mm.
recreational activities like table tennis, and then dito rin po yung karaoke po natin.
Okay. At alam mo ba, may Starbucks sila rito.
Pero machine lang po siya, ma'am. Hindi po yung...
Machine lang pala. Okay, okay.
We have also Luby Gourmet naman din po.
Alright.
So dito po yung dinner buffet po natin dito.
Okay.
Check ko lang po mawit na natin.
Alright, sige. Thank you.
Ayun na yung Starbucks.
What did you say?
There's many cool things.
Okay. Okay, we're here at The Mill. This is their Asian restaurant. So mag-lunch muna tayo while waiting for the room. Okay, so ito yung menu nila. In fairness, ano naman yung price, no? Reasonable yung price nila. Okay. Oh, sisig. Mike? Sige, check mo. Okay, nandito na lunch natin. So, we have sisig and sinigang na tuna. Kain na tayo! Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang sisig lagi. Masarap. Good yung sisig nila. Thank you. Let's taste the sinigang. In fairness, hindi siya sobrang asim na hindi ko kaya. Good din. Anyway, kain muna kami. See you later. Ano sabi ni Sir Real?
I like it.
You like it here? Ganito yung mga private island resort. Oh. You wanna go back to Amanpulo? Hindi ka naiiyak pag gabi. Dati pag gabi, I wanna go home. Yeah. Patapos na kami kumain. Sarap, no? Sarap. In fairness, okay yung food nila. Tapos, tinawagan kami nung butler. Okay na daw yung room, so mag-check-in na kami or pupunta na kami sa room after nito. See ya there! Okay, let's go to our room. Excited ka na, baby? Ayan. Hello. Larong-laro na tong batang to. Hello po. After we check in, baby, malapit lang ba rito yung room namin? Okay. Malapit lang daw yung room natin dito. Gusto niya mag-swing. Okay. Thank you. You wanna go to daddy? Okay, go. Smooth. Okay, you hold on, okay?
No.
You hold on.
Okay lang po kami pag-island tour po tayo para
Ay, pwede bukas na lang
bukas
yan.
na po siya.
Sige. Ganda, no? So peaceful. Big. We have a solar farm. Ayan, Malo. Wow, may chapel din sila, oh. Ito ata yung parang room lang.
Mga deluxe rooms po.
Deluxe rooms, okay. Okay.
Oh my God. Yes. Is it here? Is it here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're here, Villa 1802. Oh, okay, nandito na tayo sa villa. Tour tayo real quick. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so pagpasok yan, merong dining area here. And then, ito yung sofa. Tapos, merong TV dito. Ito yung snack bar. And then, may mini fridge. And then, may coffee machine. And ito ang best part. Yan! We have our own pool. Tingnan natin yung view. Ang ganda ng view sa labas. Oh my God, this is so peaceful. Matutuwa si Suril dito, grabe. Yan, let's check out the room. Pasok tayo sa room. And this is the bedroom. There's a king-size bed and Happy Valentine's Dahognos. Thank you so much, Dusit Tani. Tapos dito may day bed din. May working area dito. Tapos meron din ditong tanaw mo rin yung pool dito. O, di ba? Pwede ako mag-relax habang nagsuswimming si Cyril. And then, this is the closet. Ayan, may lagay ng luggage pala rito. This is the closet. Diyan yung safe. Andiyan na rin yung slippers sa baba. And then, they have bathrobes. Yep, they do. Kaso, isa lang to. Siguro we need to request. And this is the bathroom. Ayan. Oh my God, Cyril, have you seen this? Come here. Ito pala yung isang robe. Look, girl.
What the heck?
Look. Where's Daddy?
Daddy!
Look.
Whoa!
There's a tub here. And then there's the shower area.
Nice, ganda.
Naku, pag may nag-drone at naliligo ka rito. Ayan.
Joan lagot.
Pero bawal yung mga mga.
Yeah. May area lang daw na pwede. So, yun, dun yung shower. And then, ano pala? Ganito. And then, may indoor din pala na shower.
Yeah.
Ayan. And then, laki nung nila.
Fancy sink.
What? His and fancy sink. There's a his and her sink. And then, ito yung toilet.
Wait,
Is there a bidet? Yes, there is.
excuse me.
What the? Okay, nice. Ang ganda, no?
Ganda.
It's so nice. Okay, so that's it for our villa tour. Babawiin ko yung sinabi ko kanina, okay? Kasi yung first impression kanina, hindi ganun kaganda. Kasi dun sa welcome center nila, imagine galing ka sa traffic, sa biyahe na 1.5 hour, tapos na ka, tapos walang drinks, tapos mainit. Pero pagdating naman dito, bawing-bawi, no? Pagbaba mo pa lang ng boat, tapos salubungin ka na ng butler, there's a welcome drink, welcome dance. Okay yung restaurant nila, masarap yung food, okay din yung butler, and ang ganda ng villa. Grabe, tuwang-tuwa kami. No, Cyril? Oh, ayan na nga si Cyril, nakabihis na, magsuswimming na siya. So, see ya later! Ayan na!
Why is it so hot?
You have to check first how deep it is. 1.20 meters. Doon ka muna sa other side. Yeah.
Oh no, this looks so deep.
Is it cold?
Yes, it is cold.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay. Abot mo? No?
It's so dark. I mean, it's so low.
It's so deep?
Yeah, it's so deep and yeah.
Sige nga, can I see when you stand up? Gano'ng kalalim?
Okay?
Yeah. Stand up.
Daddy, come here.
Let me see.
Come
Oh, ang lalim nga. Yeah, okay.
Son, don't go near me.
Wala nga, ang araw nga eh. Siguro sunset dito, no? Sa kabila?
Pondiche!
Asan? Ayo, hindi dito. Feeling ko dito sunset. Ayan siya yung araw, oh. Oh, 'di ba?
Daddy, can you start with me?
Thank you, Daddy.
Naman na ako kasi walang...
Yan, ganda ng view dito. Oh, look at that. Grabe, ang sarap dito. Gustong-gusto ko yung room. I mean, yung villa. Ang ganda. Nakaka-relax. Ang ganda ng upo ko rito. Ang ganda ng view. Tingnan nyo. O, di ba? Habang nandito ako pa chill-chill, I don't need to get wet. Silang dalawa lang nagsuswimming. We should order drinks.
Ah, no, he's gonna throw me. Throw me, Daddy.
Okay, we'll see you later.